Hey, Joe, don't let this mess up the bonfire, man.
Dude, it already is. It's just Amy wasn't supposed to know yet. You know, I didn't want her to get upset before all the exams.
So then, why don't you just say that then?
Maybe
And say sorry to Lisa.
I don't know. I guess you're right.
Well, that was unexpected.
Yeah.
Look, Amy, I understand how you're feeling right now, but you gotta believe that Joe did this for a reason, you know?
What do you mean?
Well, Joe really cares about you, you know that. I know him, and honestly, he wouldn't leave without you knowing.
I just wish I had time to be ready. But now, I don't know what to think or do.
Yeah. Well, look, I'm not telling you what you should do, but I just think that some things are for the best, you know, and I think Joe knows that, and I think you should too.
Lisa, look, I'm sorry about before. I might have gone a little too far, and...
Now you all hate me for it.
Oh, hey, don't say that. Don't say that. Come here. Come on, Liz. Come here. You're okay. It's all my fault, alright? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. No, I'm sorry. You didn't know, okay? You didn't know.
Hey, everything
I just
better?
needed some time. Yeah. Is Joe okay?
I left the marshmallows in the car.
All right, man, got the marshmallows. We're all set, let's go.
Tom, wait, something happened.
What happened? Phil, what happened, man? Phil.
Oh, man.
Tom, wait. Why'd you do it, huh?
Tom, what are you doing?
Don't touch me. And you, how could you?
What? Tom, what are you talking about?
Phil saw them both kissing.
What? Joe, is that true? It is true, Joe.
Hey, stop.
Oh, what are you gonna do about it now?
Get out.
What?
I said get the hell out. This is my house. We didn't need this tonight. Not now. Not here.
So is it my fault that Joe didn't tell Amy? Is it my fault that he kissed me?
Whoa. We all see you trying to get alone time with Joe all the time. We all see how you flirt with him.
So what?
So now you think you're just gonna come here and get your way? Not tonight. Get the hell out of here.
You know what? This is over, you guys. We're finished here. It's over. No more you, no more us.
You know what? I should just go too.
Well, aren't you forgetting something?
What is it?
An apology.
Dude, I already said I was sorry.
But come on, bro. Not her. Come on.
Then what?
That after 4 years, you didn't tell us.
She is right, though.
What do you mean?
Lisa is right. This ends here. And maybe there shouldn't be an us anymore. It's for the best. After all, this won't last forever.
I wouldn't wish to end it like this.
Doesn't have to.
Remember that time I punched Joe in the face?
That was a pretty good hit, man.
Yeah, don't make me do it again.
Remember when Joe kissed Lisa?
Whoa. Too soon.